took so long for me to come back, coming up with video ideas is a lot harder than people make it out to be. Hi, I'm Sydney, and I'm a girl, and I wear makeup. Yeah, I don't really wear makeup out a lot because I'm too tired and lazy to ever put it on. But when I do, I kind of have like a signature look that I do. When I'm not doing that signature look and I'm just hanging out in my house, I do a lot of fun little looks that I will display on the screen probably now while I'm talking. So yeah, I'm kind of a makeup guru of sorts, and I thought I'd share my kind of standard look in today's video. So yeah, for eyebrows you will need this little brush for your eyebrows, an eyebrow pencil, concealer, this crusty brush to apply the concealer, this setting powder. It doesn't look like setting powder, but my setting powder broke all over the floor, and I gathered what was left of it in this little thing. I'm very desperate. Okay, we're gonna start by just brushing out with this brush. I have another brush that's attached to the eyebrow pencil, but this is just good to like, I don't know, it's good use out of it. We're gonna pop this open, and there's a little brush on the end there, and we're gonna just brush it out more thoroughly. Then you take this, which needs to be sharpened. Yeah, you just kind of like start from the back and fill it in, and then once you get to the front, you just like kind of lightly brush up. And it looks stupid, trust me. But once you like fix it, it's gonna look much better. Yeah, so this looks dumb. It looks so dumb right now. I can't even fathom it. I look terrible. So that's why we fix it. I'm just gonna unscrew this like this. We're just gonna take this and slowly caress it. Oh my god, I can't. This sucks. We're gonna blend them. Ah! Who did this to me? This is gonna be completely unusable. I'm not gonna be able to use any of this. I'm gonna fail. I don't have my contacts in. Oh my god, look at this power stand. You know what? I think I did a really good job, and shut up. Now we're going to move on to the, I keep saying contour. It's concealer. I'm just an idiot. I deserve to even touch the makeup. No, I'm a failure. You do under the eyes, you do the chin, you do the thing. The forehead. It's called a forehead. It's nothing really special. I never really watched makeup tutorials. I like tried to get into James Charles to look cool. I do a lot of things to impress other people, and watching certain YouTubers is one of them. Like I tried to watch Jake and Logan Paul after the whole news of Logan came out while filming a dead body. I know, surprise, I started there. Everyone like immediately knew about it because they were subscribed to like Logan Paul, and I'm like, maybe I should watch Logan Paul because I don't want to miss anything. So I tried watching him, and I'm like, oh, this sucks. I don't want to watch it. And then I tried watching Jake Paul, and then it was worse. Those two just radiate terrible, terrible energy. But I wanted to be cool, even though no one would care anyway. I mean, really, if that was like the height of my difficulties in that moment, then I should be grateful. Ooh, look at that. Now we're gonna apply the setting powder to it. Ah! Oh my god. I work on a budget. Ah! I don't know why people wear concealer because they look tired. Like, of course it like helps conceal part of it, but in reality it doesn't cover like anything. Like, I look the same. We're gonna use this e.l.f. eyeliner. I'm gonna be really quiet because honestly this is the most difficult part, and if I mess it up I will hate myself. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I did it. 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 I have to do it again, right? But I did this one. And honestly, I'm so happy. Okay, now I have to do the other side, which is terrifying because I almost did better on the other side, and then I tried to fix the other side, and it takes me so long. No. We're gonna fix it and it's gonna be okay. Oh, look at me saying I always do better on this side and then I fail. We fixed it. Yay! I'm not a good person. We'll come back to the eyeliner later for a special little add-on if I feel like it. Oh, I forgot to mention this is mascara. It's CoverGirl Clump Crusher. It's fine. Everything's fine once you stop caring. If you care all your life about every little thing, then you're never gonna actually appreciate anything you do. Just don't care what people say. Come back like a boomerang. All that. Ooh, pretty eyelashes. Oh my god, I'm hot. Guys, check me out. Ooh, lovely. Look at me, I'm a masterpiece. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to open the Matte Bar Maybelline, this baby, and it has this color. I don't know how to be a beauty guru. It has this color here, and we're gonna use the same brush that we use for setting powder because I'm a monster, and we're gonna use this blush. Look at me, I'm just like, you just take it and you press it and you ruin your brush. Ripe rosy cheeks. Look at me, I'm so pretty, oh my god. You can't see it, it's not gonna look good until like the final thing because I don't know how to be a cinematographer. I don't know how to do it. Do you know how to do it? Write in the comments if you can do this better than me. I have this nice little lip gloss here that looks kind of okay. And then I think we have time. All right, are you ready for this? A piece of my punk resistance. I just like to put like a little drop under my eye. And there we go. Oh, how could I forget? Oh my god. I don't have highlight. I have this glittery eyeshadow I thought was highlight, and I just use that. A little line. This is when the nose gets the most action. Whammo. My parents are, how do you say, divorced. So this little carrying case is all the makeup that I own. I'm not rich. There we go. A nice little makeup look. Let's go somewhere with better lighting because this kind of sucks. So here's the final look. I look super cute, and while it's not generally something I wear to school a lot because it does take a lot of time, but it just makes me feel nice, and it makes me feel like a more like confident, pretty version of myself. I love myself without makeup. Me with makeup is just like a tiny little upgrade. But even for that tiny little upgrade, it's not something that I do every day. But it is my most like common, neutral, basic look. Yeah, so if you guys like this video, please leave a like down below. Feel free to subscribe. This is my second video on the channel. But hopefully there will be many more to come. So if you'd like to see that, please hit subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye! Maybe something a little bit, maybe something. It's all about a sense.